Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your OKX account on your PC. It's quick and easy process, but with OKX's updates for 2024, the interface might look a little different from what you are used to. So let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to the official OKX website. Type in okx.com in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you are using the latest version of your browser to ensure compatibility with the latest updates. Once you're on the OKX homepage, check to see if you are logged in. You should see your account icon or your email address in the top right corner of the page. If you are not logged in, just enter your credentials and sign in. To log out, you need to locate the account icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is usually a profile icon or the first letter of your email address depending on how your account is set up. Click on the account icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to several options including your account settings, security features, and of course, the logout button. From the drop-down menu, simply scroll down and click on Logout. This will safely log you out of your OKX account. Once you have clicked Logout, you'll be redirected to the OKX login page, which confirms that you have successfully logged out of your account. And that's it. Logging out of your OKX account on your PC in 2024 is that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.